Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder. I just want to see if the framing is fine. Okay, good morning. Today is Sunday. I put out a poll last week asking what do you guys want to see next, because I was really confused between filming what I eat in a day and my current makeup routine. I've been using a lot of cruelty-free brands. I was actually hoping you guys would pick that because I was very excited to do it, but it's okay. Maybe another week. So this week is going to be what I eat in a day. Before I get into the video, I wanted to give a quick disclaimer. Food is a very sensitive topic and there are a lot of people who are struggling with their relationship with food. And if you're somebody who's had a bad relationship with food in the past, or you're still struggling with how you feel about food, then take this as a disclaimer and please stop watching this. So this is your trigger warning. Please don't watch it any further than this. And I'm hoping in the future I can make more videos regarding eating disorders and people's relationship with food. This video is not regarding that. This is what I eat in a day. Having said that, this is not what I eat every single day of the week. This is just a snippet of what my menu looks like in the week. So today is a Sunday and I usually begin my day with a glass of lukewarm water. So basically I fill it up with tap water and then I add in some warm water and I squeeze in half a slice of lemon. So I sip that and do a little bit of journaling. That's how my morning usually begins, and then I do a quick workout and then I have my breakfast. You guys have seen me doing the journaling bit. I'm going to do a quick workout, then come back and then we can have some breakfast. So I got this matcha, it's called Shinto matcha. Been using it for literally almost 4-5 months now and I haven't run out of it. There's still 1/4 of it remaining. I think it's going to be lasting me for a couple of more months. Then I put in some hot water into it and then I get whisking. This is what it looks like if you guys can see it. Ready, and I'm going to prep my breakfast bowl. I add some chia seeds and some walnuts, some cranberries. I love cranberries. You can probably have a whole bowl full of cranberries, and finally a little bit of peanut butter. Okay, in the mornings, I absolutely love sitting on the carpet floor. I'm more of a probably floor sitting person, if that's even a thing. So I've got my hot matcha with me. Oh, it's the best thing if you haven't ever tried. And I've got my bowl of breakfast here with me, so I'm going to dig into that. So much of health in one bowl, love it. And while I do that, I usually sit and have a chat with Dean, but he's taking a shower. So good. At least I try to begin my day on a healthy note. Maybe this will make a good thumbnail. What do you think? I'll have my breakfast and then I'll see you during lunch. Bye. It's actually 12 p.m. exactly. You can see the clock behind me. I'm going to make stir-fry veggies with some glass noodles. I got this whole big packet of glass noodles. Basically vermicelli Korean glass noodles. Got this from a Korea food market. And I'm going to put in a lot of veggies in it. And it's going to be a very easy and quick recipe. So let's go. So as you can see, all the veggies are chopped and prepped. That's only for garnish, so it can be used later. So let's get started with cooking. Alright. I'm gonna wait for the wok to get really hot and then get cooking. Got cameraman now, guys. Say hi, Dean.
Hey guys.
This is stir fry oil from Sainsbury's. It's got sesame oil in it. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of it. Don't ask me how much to put. I always wing it. Put in the onion. I think the pan's still not that hot. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. So we don't want the onion to like completely turn brown.
Call me up with something to prove. Knowing I'm all alone in my bedroom.
Nearly there.
Damn, what to do? Do I fall asleep or do I fall for you?
Just finished my workout, did some yoga and some weight training, and now I'm going to go and take a shower because I'm sweating really bad, wash my hair and then make dinner. See you in a bit. Back from my shower. This is because of tadka. I'll show you what Dean made for tomorrow's lunch. So he's made dal soup. So I'm going to be making Vietnamese rolls for dinner. Oh, I think I'm too tiny for them. Yay! So I'm using these rice paper sheets. These are Vietnamese rice paper sheets. Yeah, so let's get cracking. So let's get to the peanut dip. Okay, so the veggies are all ready, chopped up and ready. So I'm going to heat some water and start with making the rice paper rolls. So what I'm going to do is put in a rice paper sheet in it, and then when it starts curling, just flip it up, let it soak in it for half a minute. dinner is ready, and I've got the peanut dip that I made earlier. Okay guys, let's taste the roll. Here's the roll. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. It's so healthy.
Yum.
You really like it?
Superb.
Alright guys, we've reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, then you know the drill. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do. Please do drop a comment down below if you enjoy these kind of videos. I don't mind filming what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week. Or probably next time we'll do what Dean cooks for me in a week. Are you up for it?
I'm game, let's do it.
Alright, so if you guys want to see what we eat in a day or we eat in a week, or what Dean cooks, like his signature dishes, then do let us know. I hope you're keeping safe and look after your loved ones, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.